How to make a floating island in Blender. First, activate the Anti-Landscape and Node Wrangler add-ons in Blender. These add-ons are included with Blender. Next, delete the default cube. You should already know this. And press Shift A, select Landscape, select Mountain preset, and set the height to a negative number. To make it more natural, add a default cube, scale along the z-axis, and boolean the island with the cube to make the top area. Then duplicate and scale the island in negative number to make the top area. And I combine it with pressing Ctrl J and add the remesh modifier. Now it's time to shade. I download the grass shader and rock shader from Andean CG, then import them into Blender with the Node Wrangler add-on, and combine them with a separate XYZ node before adding the shader. And finally, the floating island has been completed. You can add grass and trees to make it more realistic.